Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Tory Burch unboxing. These are just a few items that I picked up on Black Friday. It comes with a cute card on top. All of these items came in refillable gift bags. The first item that I have here is a coral color belt. I love that it comes with this carrying case. All of the items that I show today, I will link it below if it's still available. Next is another small leather good. This is a card case, the Perry Bombay card case. It comes with 5 card slots and 1 zipper slot. I picked up a few items to be able to run my 5K. This is the color block Racerback Bra. I'll include some pictures so you can see what it looks like on. I'm pretty sure you already guessed. There's no way I could have the bra without the matching leggings. This is the super high-rise weightless color block leggings. I've already tried these on and I have to say it makes me feel like an Olympian. Last but not least, we have the Ella printed mini tote bag. This is the smaller size, but I feel like it's really spacious. And that is the last item in today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing for more videos.